first vlog I'm going to make, and today I'm going to the Ringhim school. The day you can see the weather, it's a pleasant. The time is around 3, so I'm going Ringhim school and from through this way. So let's enjoy. Also the newly constructing public ground here at Pantok. This is a beautiful view of mountain just beside and surrounded this Mangan North Sikkim. So let's go from this way. I'm reached here, and through this journey I'm feeling a little bit thirsty, so I've carried this guava. Okay, it's a lip-seed guava. I'm here just off from the Pantok, North Sikkim, and I'm feeling tired, but I'm very excited also to go to the Ringhim school. You can see the beautiful view, greenery view. You can see here, just back. You can see another wave from down. Okay, so not completed yet. Very rough. This road also very rough, but apart from this, you can see the beautiful view of the green grasses. Air, you can not you can, but I can feel the air here. Wow, I'm really enjoying this weather and this walk also. Okay, hi friends. Finally, I came here to the Ringhim Government Secondary School, Ringhim, and after a long walk, I came here. I'm feeling little bit happy and so much happy. Actually, I'm so much happy. Now, from this way, I came. From this way, I came here. This Ringhim. I'm about to reach the school. Area. Okay, so this is the board of the Ringhim Secondary School. So here we go. I came here to the Ringhim school. You can see the surroundings at the school. Actually, I just want to visit this school. You can see the area out here. Very beautiful and feeling very fresh here. experience. That was the small blog of mine. We have visited Ringhim Secondary School. That was really amazing. I hope you also have enjoyed a lot with me, and I really touch with the nature and beauty of the up there. And I wanna encourage you all, if you really feel the Sikkim, if you really feel wanna feel the beauty of the Sikkim, you should travel to village. You should interact with the local things out here, local people. You really feel different. So thank you so much. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. We'll see in our next vlog. Thank you all.